Greetings, agritech lovers! Today we're delving into the realm of modern agricultural machinery, uncovering the innovative features that enhance productivity and sustainability. The LH500 is an excellent silage specialist and is ideal for all silage work and other heavy pushing work on difficult terrain, such as moving wood chips, where the ability to climb is required. This machine climbs any silo without risk, as the wide tracks make it much more stable than wheeled prototypes. The adjustable undercarriage provides the perfect combination of climbing ability and maneuverability, and ensures perfect adaptation to any type of terrain. The independent wheel suspension with hydraulic rocking function ensures optimum adaptation to any type of ground. In this way, the silo can be stacked and compacted at the same time. Two working stages that would otherwise require two special vehicles. The industrial method of garlic harvesting makes it possible to increase labor productivity several times, significantly reducing costs and harvesting time, while ensuring high-quality harvesting. The principle of operation of the T260B harvester from Asa Lift is extremely simple. It digs garlic with the stem out of the soil, strips the product from the soil residues, cuts off the bulb from the stem, and loads the cut heads onto the conveyor belt into a big bin. All moving parts of the combine are driven by hydraulic motors, and the depth of the knife is regulated only mechanically. All in all, a serious and indispensable thing. The trailed carrot harvester by Asa Lift will win the heart of any farmer, as it will easily perform all the most difficult and dirty work. Harvesting of root crops is carried out by partial digging and grabbing of the haulm, and a special carrot harvester separates the haulm without damaging the carrots themselves. The manufacturer installed on the machine a finger system with a hydraulic drive, which allows you to knock down or remove the soil from the crop. As for technical characteristics, the transportation belts were lengthened, its own hydraulics and drawbar with a hydraulic cylinder were installed. A good thing, I must say. The sprouted potato planter is the first step in the cultivation of young potatoes. In cooperation with Farm Support, Ropa has developed a planting machine for sprouted potatoes. Gecko is their new manual planting machine that combines gentle planting of sprouted potatoes without sprouting, power, and good working conditions for the staff. 2 people per planting row lay the pre-germinated potatoes along sprouting belts, which transport the potatoes without additional load and without friction until they're precisely planted in the ground. Even potatoes up to 12 centimeters long can be optimally planted with this technology at a travel speed of 3.5 kilometers per hour. Ropa has developed the new Mouse 6 beet loading machine with a significantly enlarged cab and networked workstation in a class of its own. The brand new premium machine has also received a modern design. The exterior of the machine symbolizes digitization and agriculture 4.0. The newly designed panoramic cab creates a feeling of spaciousness and rises from 5 to 10 meters in working mode. Compared to the previous model, the Mouse 6 cab is 16 centimeters wider, 40 centimeters longer, and with a huge total volume of 4,400 horses. It offers 35% more space than the Mouse 5. Asa Lift is the world leader in cabbage harvesting machines, and their TK series cabbage harvester is world class. Here is the trailed version of the TK1000. Cabbage can either be stacked manually into containers or fed via a conveyor belt to the trailer on the side of the combine. The row spacing for the combine harvester must be at least 60 centimeters. Daily throughput is up to 1.5 hectares, depending on conditions, model, row spacing, types of bunches, yield, etc. The harvester can be equipped with an optional add-on. The combine can be additionally equipped with various equipment to optimize performance under the given conditions. The harvesters designed and manufactured by Ortomec are the result of years of experience, in-depth knowledge of the industry, and customer needs. The Ortomeg harvesting tool is suitable for many vegetables, from arugula to spinach, from cabbage to iceberg lettuce, including aromatic herbs such as basil and mint. The machine you see guarantees precision, high performance, and delicate harvesting of all leafy vegetables. Thanks to its efficiency, it can reduce labor, improve working conditions, and raise the hygienic and quality characteristics of the product to a new level. Friends, meet the real master of the beet business, Van Laar Technique. In simpler terms, you're looking at an incredibly productive root washer, shredder, and feeding bucket. 3-in-1, so to speak. Beetmaster makes it quick and easy to wash, shred, and feed roots in one operation without leaving the cab, saving the operator a lot of time. In addition, the new bucket is available in 750 kilograms or 1,000 kilogram capacity sizes and is ideal for use with both tractor loaders and telehandlers. Friends, you see a new development of the company Euro Agrimat, and this is a new fashion combine harvester model TU200. I will not say much more here because the efficiency of this technique, as best as possible, demonstrates our video. Besides, you have an opportunity to look at the new John Deere tractor Model 6230. Together, these two do incredible things, and it's really hard to take your eyes off of them. Not to mention the efficiency and productivity of the two of them working together. The conditional motto of this machine should be, more processes in one step. Why so? Simply because with the TSA Combianta Ridger, clods and other coarse material are buried at the same time as fertilizer is applied, leaving the soil on top. At the same moment, hosing and mulching can also take place, which greatly reduces the operator's working time. All of this is necessary to best prepare the soil for seeding or transplanting. Now let's mention the mini compost seeder with a 12-bucket rotary distribution system, which is fed by just one operator to 2 rows at once. The distance between the rows per unit is adjustable from 35 to 50 centimeters. The minimum distance between two elements must be at least 70 centimeters. Productivity from 5,000 to 7,000 plants per hour per operator. Impressive, isn't it? The machine is also equipped with a special plant holder, which has the ability to rotate in 6 directions. I'm confident that the real dream of every agro-entrepreneur who grows and sells leafy products is to automate the workflow for harvesting them. The best helper in this endeavor is, of course, the Easy Pack from Ortomeg. In fact, it's an automatic packing system designed to facilitate not only the harvesting, but also the subsequent production stage of placing the products in various boxes. The Ropacaler 1 is a trailed single-row potato harvester. It was developed in particular for customers with high demands for top-quality potatoes with thorough and extremely gentle cleaning and at the same time, excellent home separation. The speed of all cleaning elements is fully hydraulically controlled with load-sensitive internal hydraulics, in particular the screening conveyors and the homed conveyors. The perfect helper. The Femax Model FMV12 mixer feeder is one of the ideal solutions for farms with 120 to 150 animals. The vertical auger design is equipped with special cutting knives that cut round and square bales in a short time and turns them into a homogeneous mass mixed with other feed and additives. Due to the development of the design work, the unusable feed is recycled, so this equipment is more environmentally friendly compared to other mixers on the market. After discharging, there's no feed left in the tank. And also, the feed can be weighed and prepare portions of a certain size with an electronic weighing system. Not all cabbage is suitable for machine harvesting. The cabbages must be uniform in shape and size and be high enough above the soil surface. After Bungener Schurer took all these points into account, it developed its new single-row cabbage harvester, the KVE 1.8, with a large capacity side hopper. The machine is perfectly suited for harvesting white and red cabbage for further processing. Example, sauerkraut. Masano machines allow farmers in agricultural areas with heavy stone contamination to use their land like never before. The RSE 250 model of the extreme modification successfully handles large stones by digging them to a depth of 25 to 35 centimeters, removing only the fertile soil on top. The model is available with a smoothing roller or sharpener, and additional attachments can be added. Introducing the new Multipack E14, a model with a new adjustable compaction chamber. Also that the 14 bale bundles are as compact as the customer wants them to be. This packer is also the solution for the 3-row bale market. It's safe to say that the new Multipack E14 means a step forward, a giant leap into a future full of excitement. The main feature of the machine is the better handling of the bunch, thanks to the additional compaction of the bales. The chamber can be adjusted from 34 to 39 inches. An additional knotter has also been used, providing better security of the bundle itself. The TWT400 from Trencher is a tractor-mounted disc trencher with conveyor attachment designed to fit a tractor with a 3-point linkage. The TWT400 trencher was designed with the turf industry in mind and provides fast, reliable, and clean trenching. Plus, trenches can be easily backfilled with a Trenchet SGH hopper. Have you ever wondered how olives are harvested? We're not talking about private farms, but on an industrial scale. It turns out that the harvest is done by special machines, one of which is on your screen right now. A tractor drives up to the tree, precisely centering its position thanks to cameras. The space near the tree is filled with a special tilted canopy. It is on it that the harvest will fall after shaking. Then it all goes into special compartments for transportation. Quick, simple, and easy. The Save Mini Round Baler is ideal for picking up hay for silage, grass, wheat, and other working material. The 2-wheeled machine compresses perfectly the collected product into bales, which will be much more convenient for processing, storage, and transportation. In conjunction with a combine harvester, for example, such as the Kubota Model B6200, you'll be able to achieve the best effect, and also save a lot of time and effort. By the way, the tractor of this brand is equipped with 4-wheel drive and 15 horsepower, so together they will work very productively. The FSX Series Arcusin AutoStack is a revolutionary product on the market designed to increase efficiency and reduce the cost of hay and straw bale harvesting. It requires only one operator, an automatic bale loader with an automatic tine that picks up the bales where they lie in the field without the need to turn them around. The bales are lifted onto the loading platform using sensors and a pusher. The bales are then delivered to the trailer using rollers. Side panels provide stability and bale leveling, while the tilting trailer allows for easy and safe unloading. Progressive suspension with long travel and flotation tires on the FSX model provide optimum stability on any surface without damaging the ground. These 2 Vermeer trailed mowers are ideal for operators who want to cut more hay in less time, thanks to cutting widths from 17.7 to 19.3 feet and a transportation width of 9 feet. The models are equipped with all of the convenient features that make operation, transportation, and maintenance hassle-free. The 10 Series trailed mowers also feature Q3 shaft-driven cutters that help maximize performance and make the mowers more economical with minimal gearing. In addition, the cutter bar is backed by Vermeer's 3-year warranty. What do you think of this multifunctional technical giant that mechanically harvests potatoes and separates the tubers from the haulm? Moreover, at the same time, this process is accompanied by the separation of various other impurities. During the harvesting process, the potatoes are stored in a special hopper and then unloaded into special nets, which the workers place directly on the field for further manual harvesting. The CR400 self-propelled tracked harvester makes it easy to harvest parsnips in difficult conditions. Anti-slip track steering ensures the combine rides consistently in extreme conditions, while the plowshare section digs the crop out of hard soil. The coulter grid has a special blade with square holes to improve soil separation throughout the machine, while hydraulic shakers improve soil distribution. The rear section platform holds up to 3 boxes and hydraulically rotates the new box under the depositor. Oxbow designed the 7450 as a high-performance top-loading harvester for gardeners with high yields and large bushes. The machine can harvest many crops, including blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. With the new Dynarotor Max picking system, the 7450 can pick more ripe fruit with each pass. A larger tunnel, wider neck, and wider belts improve throughput and product storage, even with high-tonnage varieties. And to increase travel speed, the manufacturer used a new high-efficiency ground drive. The Asa Lift cabbage harvester is designed for both long-term storage, processing, and short-term storage. Rotating and stationary tapered plowshares guide the cabbage onto the intake conveyors, which hold the cabbage by the pokers and send it in the direction of the cutting disc. The cabbage is fed by belts and an elastic band above them, which guarantees a neat and even cut. The intake section can be adjusted for a cabbage from 0.5 kilograms to 10 kilograms. The cutting height is also adjustable. The main section is hydraulically driven and can be supplied in different designs according to the customer's request. The Cultitrack self-propelled loader hoe that you can now see on your screens is an equipment designed for a variety of gardening. In addition to the tractor, this equipment can perform everything from sowing to harvesting. In the following configuration of the Culti in version 23 CV, the loader weeds carrots sown in 3 rows, 40 centimeters apart, using a standard ripper. These are elements of mechanical weeding of developed crops. In general, in any farm, a useful thing. The OV100 is a self-propelled harvesting machine, which is well suited for medium to large farm plantations. This machine has a power of 23 horsepower and a working width of 100 centimeters. The model is equipped with a 700-liter hopper, which for loading rises to a height of 2.5 meters. This machine has 4-wheel drive as standard. Radial piston hydraulic motors cope perfectly with working on slopes. The model is designed to harvest 1,000 to 2,000 tons of fruit and is therefore suitable for real professionals. Thanks to the large wheels, the OV100 has a good feel on slopes. This is how the TSP 275 trailer loader works from Asa Lift. This advanced machine does an impressive job harvesting sweet potatoes. The machine's soft plowshares lift the crop onto the picker belt, where hydraulic shakers remove the soil before the crop goes to the sorting table for manual sorting. The combine is assembled with only the highest quality parts for long life, reliability, and low operating expenses. In gardening, several operations can be optimized at the same time. Forming beds, laying the hose for irrigation, fertilizing, weeding, laying polyethylene or biofilm, or tamping. The Cosmico adjustable bed former is an excellent machine for the final preparation of the soil for sowing, the last and most important stage in soil tillage. This set of units helps to eliminate increased soil density effectively by restoring soil porosity and promoting air and water circulation. As a result, you can expect rapid germination and optimum growing conditions for many crops that require this special but effective method of cultivation. You no longer need a tractor to lay the mulch. Now you can do it manually. This hand-powered mulching unit, which is fully adjustable to handle different bed widths and sizes, is a game changer. It will easily fit in greenhouses, high tunnels, or areas with limited space. It can be equipped to run 1 or more drip tape lines. 2 people are required to operate this unit, and it works best when pulled at a steady walking pace. The moldboard plow opens 2 furrows with the packer wheels pulling and laying mulch, and then the discs bury the edges. It can be used with mulch rolls from 36 to 60 inches wide. Let's be honest, the thought and engineering used to create this machine is truly amazing. The breaker-style rack with hydraulic cable tensioner will save you a lot of time. In the past, this kind of work was done manually, and for farmers it became a real problem, and sometimes even an impossible task. But now, no diggers for poles, no pulling each strand manually. Breaker-style will do it all by itself, with quality and reliability. And it appears to be able to move over rough terrain without any difficulties. Well, what do we see here? Jutex FlexTrack. Its powerful 3.6-liter turbo engine with 100 horsepower provides maximum power for all tasks. All machine functions are easily controlled with a joystick and foot pedal. 5 hydraulic 3-point hitches and other attachments for attaching specialty equipment ensure a high level of productivity. In addition, the low noise level gives the driver the best conditions to concentrate for many hours a day. Because the company knows for a fact that a focused driver is a safe driver, and that's good business. The Japanese power tiller model GT1 will be a reliable assistant in your work. Its important feature is a 2-component filter with 2 elements, a foam ring for coarse air cleaning and a fine mesh to trap the smallest dust. To prevent accidental startup, a special locking device is installed on the handle. At the exhaust pipe outlet, there's a spark catcher screen to protect against accidental fires of dry grass, hay, and mowing products. The manufacturer has also taken care of high ergonomics of control elements, so all handles have rubberized textured surfaces for comfortable grip and protection against slipping during prolonged work. And now you can watch how a highly efficient and effective tool works to cultivate paths and gaps quickly between rows of crops in a bed. This French-made tool is most effective when used at a fast walking pace and combines the undercutting action of a hoe for larger rooted weeds with light soil disturbance. The unit screens out smaller weeds from the cutting stage up to 4 inches, where they dry to the soil surface. 3 sizes are available: 5-inch and 7-inch wide models for use between multiple rows of crops in a bed, and an 11-inch wide model best suited for walkways. TerraTech's wheel hoe is excellent for precision weed control. Using the finger weeder is the best way to remove weeds from the row, so you're sure to be satisfied. Also, it's the only hand tool equipped with a finger weeder. This wheel hoe can be mounted on a single or double wheel, depending on the job. In most cases, the double wheel is used for precision work, while the single wheel is used for a standard cultivator. Are you looking for an inexpensive but efficient mini combine and thresher for your crop? Then look no further than this Puhata machine, which features a new sophisticated threshing structure that ensures clean threshing and complete separation of the grain from the plant itself. We should also note the lightweight of the combine, good cross-country ability in difficult operating conditions, ease of transportation, and ease of maintenance. The machine is ideal for harvesting rice and wheat in hilly and mountainous areas, and its high productivity and maneuverability will pleasantly surprise even the most demanding user. The TerraTech leaf harvester has been designed for daily harvesting of lettuce, green salad, portulaca, spinach, and etc. You love fresh, juicy greens, don't you? Then listen carefully. The cutting bar of this 120 centimeter wide machine cuts all vegetation neatly and precisely. The height of the cutter bar and reel can be adjusted to the height of the vegetation, the height of the strip, and the cutting height. In addition, this harvester is popular because it's easy to use, ergonomic, and allows you to get the job done quickly. This is the new multifunctional harvester from Oxbow for harvesting the highest quality grapes and performing various tasks in the vineyard. The combine can work on steep and difficult terrains, and the large capacity buckets allow it to deliver high productivity in the field. In addition, Oxbow is proud to introduce the new Premium Sort cleaning system available on the grape harvester. Premium Sort has been designed with a simple, safe system that provides high productivity, ease of operation, and the ability to deliver quality fruit directly to the tank. The REC Grass Silage Fertiler Black Edition is an innovative machine designed for efficient and effective distribution of grass silage in agricultural operations. The Grass Silage Fertiler Black Edition is specifically designed for the precise spreading and even distribution of grass silage in livestock farming and forage production. It's commonly used in feeding systems where grass silage needs to be evenly distributed over a large area. The machine is built to withstand the demanding conditions of agricultural work and ensures long-lasting durability. It's designed to handle the heavy load of grass silage and maintain its performance even in challenging environments. Harvesting root crops on a vast field. I would say it's quite a challenging task. Significant help with this demanding job can be provided by the new combine harvesters from Oxbow Company. Why even talk about it? Just take a look at how they work. Using artificial intelligence in literal field conditions? Absolutely. This agricultural robot can handle weeds excellently, and the best part is, without the need for herbicides. Blue Bob is ready to make a significant impact on the lives and work of farmers. They say, one of the things you can look at forever is how other people work. And it's true. Thankfully, the guys realized in time that they should not refuse the help of the harvester and began to actively ram watermelons onto the conveyor belt. Without such a high-tech helper, they would have suffered for a long time. The Horsch seeding complex with Trimble navigation is a next-generation anchor seed drill with working widths of 6.8, 9, and 12 meters, capable of preparing the soil, sowing, and fertilizing in one pass. The strengths of this model are particularly evident when seeding in mulch. So if you want to combine multiple technological operations into one working pass while simultaneously increasing the precision of seed and fertilizer placement in the soil profile, this equipment is exactly what you need. This is what the new square baler from Claas looks like. The machine is designed for very high throughput per hour, and this is probably its main advantage. It all starts in the pickup, which easily grabs large and uneven swaths, and it ends with perfectly formed bales, especially compacted at the edges for stability during transportation and storage. Let's get straight to the point. Lower belt speed, smoother movement, gentle placement of birds inside the containers, full attention to the well-being of animals. All this is about Apollo Generation 2B. Birds are loaded naturally, without stress, neatly placed in crates without direct contact with operators. The machine has been specifically designed to facilitate simple, fast, and efficient daily operations. And it's a real gem. This is what a modern agbot looks like, pulling a new tramline renovator that moves the soil on each side back into the track without disturbing the soil structure. a significant but very monotonous farming application that the robot now handles. It really is straight, stable, and reliable. Check it out for yourself. The working area of the multi-track robotic tractor with high ground clearance allows you to work on row crops, strawberries, blueberries, and fruit plantations, shrubs, conifers, and young trees of alley type. The great advantage of the tractor is the work in several rows, a maximum of 6 in one pass. This saves a huge amount of time and costs for the farmer. The machine is also equipped with a slope compensation system for hilly terrain and GPS. Hero-Krone's heavy-duty forage harvesters, ranging from 687 to 1,156 horsepower. These incredible technological giants impress not only with their appearance, but also with their high chopping efficiency and quality. Comfort and easy handling of the vehicle are also at the highest level. Brower's RoboMax JD Turf Picker's simple robotic stacking system, RoboMax JD, neatly moves 4 or 5 rolls of turf at a time onto rear-mounted pallets that are easily moved with a forklift. An optional double-sided pallet injector is also available. The combine is incredibly easy to operate and maintain, which is nothing short of amazing. Azalift has introduced its new onion roller mower. The WR365 has only recently gone on sale, but has already managed to make a name for itself. The fact is that when you use this machine, you save money, time, and labor. The fact is that the WR365 saves the load from 3 tractors and 3 men down to 1. Impressive, isn't it? The Speedo Dual machine is ideal for various soil tillage operations in vineyards and orchards. As they say, quick and easy. The fact that the Vigneto model is equipped with a double tool holder, so it can effectively work in 2 rows at once. Working width, by the way, from 180 to 320 centimeters. I forgot to mention that for its productive work, you will need a tractor with at least 80 horsepower. This is a seedling planting machine from the same company, designed for efficient planting of rice seedlings. It's manufactured using patented technology from Myanmar and even won an award as the best specialized machine at the annual Top 50 Agricultural Machinery Awards ceremony. The model has a 3-cylinder diesel engine with 20.9 horsepower, an NMT gearbox, and a 37-liter fuel tank. This celery harvester from EcoPower Systems helps farmers harvest up to 4,000 boxes of celery per day. It's faster, cleaner, and safer than any other celery harvesting method in the entire industry. Plus, the grower has been able to significantly reduce worker injury risks and the risk of E. coli contamination from consuming the product. The Maja automatic fruit and berry shaking and cleaning machine enables quick and efficient harvesting from trees. The machine can be used for harvesting apples, cherries, plums, olives, almonds, and other stone fruits. It's equipped with a screen, which is rewound and retracted automatically. And only 2 people are needed to operate the machine, which reduces costs and increases productivity. Thank you for tuning in to Smart Tech. If you found this video on heavy equipment machines, modern agricultural technology, and agri-engineering informative and engaging, make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment sharing your feedback.